Hindi po kayo Filipino. Indio po kayo. It's time to break the evil spell of Manuel Quezon. It's time to reverse the wicked curse of Manuel Quezon. It's time to forge a new vision for a nation. From a nation run like hell by Filipino politicians to a nation run like heaven by Filipino patriots. It's time to return to Rizal. It's time to return to our roots, to become noble and honorable, to become heroic and patriotic. Pag ako po ay hindi magpaka-Rizal, ako po ay hindi Filipino. Why do we say that? Rizal is the first Filipino. He is the father of our nation. He is our national hero and the pride of the Malay race. Tandaan po natin, nung panahon ni Rizal, ang tawag po sa atin, hindi tayo mga Filipino, kundi mga Indio. Only Jose Rizal changed and rebranded us from Indios, uncivilized, uncultured, to Filipinos. Therefore, ang standard, ang batayan ng isang Pilipino ay si Jose Rizal. Kung hindi ako maging katulad ni Jose Rizal,